What's up, YouTube? I know it's been a while since I've uploaded a video, and you're probably wondering, who is this guy? Is this Carbon Drawings? I wouldn't know because I haven't heard anything from him in months, and I want to apologize for that. I've been kind of busy with college and working. As soon as I went on winter break, I happened to take a vacation to go visit family, and now I have some free time and I'm ready, I'm refreshed, and I'm back to give you guys more content. So let's get on with the video. Let's just take a second to appreciate that new intro. Did you soak it all in yet? I decided to do something special for you guys since I've been away, and I've just been playing around with my video editor and I've been getting better at editing. And I'm not trying to say I'm an editing king, but I felt the channel needed a upgrade, or rather the intro needed a bit of an upgrade. There was nothing wrong with the old intro, it was pretty simple though, and I didn't really make it. I kind of used an app to kind of generate some, basic simple intro. If you don't remember, it was basically just a blue screen and then only the words were animated, and that was pretty cool. It was great as like a stepping stone, but I felt like we could do a lot better. Let me know if you enjoyed the new intro. Leave a comment down below if you liked it, or I don't know, improvements you feel could be made upon it. Let's just have a discussion, Anyways, before we get on to the video, right, if you wait until the end, I have a special treat for you guys. I mean, you could skip to the end, but then who'd be the real villain? Trump or you? Think about it. Anyways, today, if you haven't read from the title already, I'm going to be drawing the spicy Mexican chili pepper herself, Sombra. Now, Sombra's from one of the best games, in my opinion, out right now, Overwatch. If you haven't played or even heard of Overwatch, I highly recommend it. It's fun, it's fast-paced, and I guarantee that you'll fall in love with every character because they handle different and they have their own personalities, and there's always a character for everybody. The roster's huge. I think they have, 30 characters, 29, something like that. I guarantee out of all of those characters, you'll find one. But that's besides the point. This isn't a gaming channel, it's a drawing one. She has this cyberpunk look to her that I very much enjoy, which is why I was so willing to draw her. I definitely want to incorporate this theme into my sketches more, so look out for that in the future. Honestly, I wouldn't even mind living in a cyberpunk future with neon lights going everywhere, everybody dressed in this sort of retro techno gear. It really makes you think about what the future holds, even, I don't know, 10 years down the line, maybe we'll all be riding hoverboards or something. I'm definitely down to be the next Marty McFly. Well, as for this series, I've been thinking about moving away from drawing actual created characters and moving towards my own original sketches. Let me know what you guys think about this idea. This series is made specifically for requests from you, but rather than specific requests of characters, which I really don't mind doing, I'll definitely continue that if you guys want to see more of it. But I was thinking more of an interpretation of some ideas that you guys have of, I don't know, just what you want to see me draw. But anyways, guys, we're rearing the end of this video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like, a comment, subscribe. Don't forget to turn on that bell notification. And if you really enjoyed, share this video with your friends on your social media or any platform you choose. It really helps me out. And until the next time, peace.